feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Hello and welcome in this new video tutorial brought to you by HDesignTutorials.com. In today's video, I will show you how to transform a normal photo of any person into a GTA 5 cartoon-style character using AI Generator online and for free. So first go to your browser address bar, then type Design.ai and hit enter. Once we are on the website, we will click the Start for Free button here. Then all you have to do is entering your email address and a password. Then check the I agree to the terms button, then click on Continue. Now you will receive a verification code by email that you will need to enter to complete the sign up. Once you're done signing up, the website will ask you few questions, like where did you hear about Zine, what is your profession, and what is your area of focus? Once we are done answering the questions, you will be presented by the following page. And now all we have to do is clicking on this plus button to create a new project.
Different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems. Just
now on the left side, let's choose image to image.
Don't need to groan with you, just go get your.
Then let's click on this button here to browse the different AI styles or models available on the website. And now let's scroll down just a little bit until we find the Pulp Vibrant style, because that's the AI model that we're going to be choosing for our image to image generation. And now we need to click on the Upload button here, or simply click on the middle of the canvas to upload an image.
That's it, the end of the song.
So let's select our image, then click on Open.
I just need to carry on, 'cause society's
Now the best option on this website is that it comes with a fantastic feature to auto-prompt and describe precisely what's in the photo. And that's great because it's going to save you time writing the prompt by your own. And now, if we read the prompt, a man stands confidently in a park wearing sunglasses and a black jacket with the backdrop of an urban skyline featuring numerous high-rise buildings and fountains spraying water. We will find out that it's exactly what's inside the photo. Great. Now if we scroll down on the left, we will find another cool feature, which is Face Match. And that can detect and preserve up to 4 face identities in the image. So we need to activate that to get a better result. Now let's also increase the structure match slider to the maximum to get the nearest result possible to the input image. Then simply let's click on Generate. By default, when you sign up on Design.ai for the first time, you will get 100 free credit that you can consume for image generations. It's done. So let's check the results. And as you can see, it's very identical to the input image.
We all want things.
Now if you're satisfied with the result, you can simply download the generated photos. But let's say we want to expand the generated image a little bit more. Then simply we need to double-click the desired image to add it in the canvas. Then let's go to the left and choose Expand. And now we can drag the border of the canvas from the right and the top, or for example from the right and the bottom.
And this is my game to play.
Then let's click on Generate.
And I ain't gonna lie to you.
And now the AI will automatically fill the expanded areas with generative content.
If you ain't having fun, I guess I'll try this, try that.
And as you can see, the results are very interesting.
I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared?
One last feature that I want to show you before we end up this tutorial is the face swap feature. And that's also a very useful feature that we can use when the AI fails to match the face properly in the generated results. So let's, for example, swap the face here in the generated result with our original face. Let's click on Swap Face, then click on Upload, then choose the original photo to upload it. And then the AI tool will crop and recognize the face in the image automatically. Let's click on Generate to see the results. And as you can see, this is the best result you can achieve if you want to match the original face perfectly.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a...
I am also very satisfied with the first generated result. And now we can open this image in Photoshop to add the GTA 5 logo if you want. So have fun. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.
I wanna be the greatest.